lot of guys that bash ASC's Automotive Service Excellence Certificate, and really, I think we shouldn't be bashing ASC's. ASC's that help improve our industry, and you're just shooting yourself in the foot as you bash it. They bash it because, oh, so-and-so passed the test, but they can't fix the car. Well, we also got to keep in mind, ASC's is not just a mechanical test. There's ASC's test for just being a service advisor or a parts consultant. So, we can't just sit there and just think that, have that mindset, because it's more than just being a mechanic. It's entirely for the automotive industry, no matter what your job is. And that ASE means you can do your job efficiently. And I think if you can do your job efficiently and have the motive of, I want to be better at my job, that means a lot if you want to be better at your job. If you want to better yourself and get a certificate, you're almost tricking yourself to study and learn something new, sharpen your axe. Yeah, an old axe can chop the wood and get something done, but if you sharpen your axe, aren't you going to get it done much quicker in one strike, one blow?